Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is my second to last Lapland vlog, and today I am going out to shoot for Safartica on their e-sledding, which is kind of like snowmobile and ice fishing tour. So I'll be going out on an e-sled, which is supposed to be a silent snowmobile, and once we get to the lake, stopping off, doing some ice fishing, hopefully catching some fish, so we'll see how that goes, and then heading off, having some sausages over a fire elsewhere, and apparently a Lapland dessert, and then heading back to Rovaniemi, where I need to get my stuff from Hostel Cafe Cotti and get a bus out towards near where the Santa's village is, where I'll be staying in the northernmost Capsule hostel in the world, so that's quite interesting. Not something which I was planning for the trip, but something which ended up happening. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, yesterday being the previous vlog, it wasn't uploaded yesterday, I didn't record enough vlog clips, and that is the case obviously of this one, and for the rest of the trip I might be butting in and out like this, doing a talking head sequence filmed a few weeks later in my bedroom back here in England as to what happened, kind of narrating it. So yeah, this is all talking about what happened in the past. However, I hope you enjoyed the clips I did get on this day. So let's jump now into the e-sledding clips I got with the GoPro and stuff, and then maybe the ice fishing and stuff.
They tell me I look good, they tell me I am fine, but they never seem to ever let me come inside.
So there is electric.
They tell me I look good, they tell me I am fine. I want you to show me love, show me life. They tell me I look good.
So today I'm out on this frozen lake, 60 centimeters deep ice. You could probably land a commercial jet on it. I'm filming Safartica's e-sledding and ice fishing tour. So e-sleds are like snowmobiles but totally silent engines, so the only sound is the blades, whatever you call them, going across the snow and ice. And then ice fishing, which is really interesting, they have like this long spike with curves around it, and they drill a hole into the ice, and then yeah, the rest is like normal fishing. They put bait underneath and they catch fish, but it's quite interesting to watch, and I'm definitely getting some good shots filming it. I just flew the drone, I got some really good shots on that. Drone shots look incredible here, but the only thing is I can only fly it for like 8 minutes because it's cold and the battery drains really quick, and then it starts giving me warning messages. But at least I got drone shots. So I'm doing a quick voiceover here while I show you the photos that I shot throughout the day, because after the tour I got my stuff from Hostel Cafe Cotti and took it to iBed City Hostel, the northernmost capsule hostel in the world, which was quite cool to stay at, although it was still a hostel, so I was sleeping in a room with other people, which I don't mind, but obviously anybody would rather have their own room. It was still an experience to stay there, and it was outside the city as well, in the middle of nowhere, so fun to say that I got to do that, I guess. And then I stayed there for the rest of the day, got some photos edited, and then had dinner and went to bed. So that is literally it for today's vlog. Still a very cool safari, ice fishing and taking photos of the Arctic wilderness, getting to fly my drone as well, but that is all for today's video. I'll give you a quick heads up. The last vlog of this series will be edited in Filmora, my first video edited in Filmora, so I hope you look forward to seeing any improvements on my editing and storytelling in that video, which will be out next week. So yeah, that was e-sledding and ice fishing with Safartica. It was very, very fun, very professional company, great guides. And just an enjoyable morning. It was only in the morning, it was from like 8 AM to midday-ish, so 4 hours, including transport from and to Rovaniemi. It was out in the Lapland wilderness, obviously. I was also very happy to get my drone in the air, get some drone shots, because I'd only previously done that at the Husky Park on the Tuesday. This e-sledding was on the Friday, the Husky Park was on the Tuesday a few vlogs ago. So I was happy to get the drone in the air again, get some more shots of Lapland from above. The drone held itself together surprisingly well, and the batteries didn't drain as quick as they could have done. I was able to fly it perfectly fine. The DJI Mavic Mini 1, the original version, in I think what was about -4 degrees Lapland temperature, so not as cold as it could have been, but still below freezing levels, so I'm glad it held together and I got some cool photos and videos from that. So yeah, back to Rovaniemi, getting the bus over to Nivasanta's village, where I am staying in the northernmost capsule hostel in the world. And I think that is everything for this vlog. A pretty short one today. I'll have a very interesting one tomorrow from a fun last day in Lapland, where I don't have any kind of trips planned with any companies or anything, but I had a whole day to explore for myself, going to the Santa's village and stuff, and you'll see why it was one of my favourite days in tomorrow's video. It's not coming out tomorrow, but like the next day's daily vlog from the trip, when it is out, probably in about a week's time. So thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. Remember to like and subscribe, as usual, all the good stuff, turn notifications on so you don't miss the next video, the good one, which I was saying about just a moment ago. And I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Hasta luego.